morning children, welcome back to science class. In the last class we learned about the nervous system. In the nervous system we learned the brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Now we are going to see the actions of the body. What is the action? I am throwing the ball. Yes, I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball is an action. Like that, our body also performs the action. Those are called as the actions of the body. What are the actions of the body? Now we will see. First one, voluntary action. What is the first one? Voluntary action. Second one, involuntary actions. Okay, the voluntary actions, the actions which are an action that we do with our will. With what is meaning of will? We want to do. For example, if you are feeling hungry, you will eat rice. Yes, if you are feeling hungry, you will eat rice. If I want to catch a book, if I want to catch the book, I will catch the book. Yes, means this I want to do this. Those type of actions which I will do with my will. Okay, with our will is called as voluntary actions. Next one, now we are going to see the involuntary actions. What is the involuntary actions? An action which occurs without our choice. The actions which occurs without our choice means we don't want to do without our will. These actions occurs without our will. For example, heartbeat, beating of heart. We won't tell heart to beat. Digestion, after eating the food, we won't tell our stomach to digest the food. Yes, after means like these are all the actions which was taken place of their own. Those type of actions are called as the involuntary actions. How many types of actions are there, children? There are two types of actions. The first one, voluntary action. Any action that we do with our will. Example, eating food. Involuntary action. Any actions which occurs without our knowledge. Like heartbeat, digestion, those are all comes under the involuntary actions. Okay, another type of actions also the body will perform, the immediate spontaneous action. Those are called as reflex actions. Reflex actions are called as involuntary actions. For example, suddenly you have seen when you are walking, for example, you went to kitchen, you are feeling hungry and you went to kitchen and you want to eat, and you suddenly touch the hot plate. Immediately you will withdraw your hand. Yes, what you will do? Immediately you will withdraw your hand. That means what? Here the message, what is happening here, that is called as stimuli to response. An involuntary action that occurs, spontaneous movement in response to stimuli. That is a response to stimuli. For example, here you are touching a hot plate. With your hand, you are touching a hot plate. Yes, this hot plate, here what happens here, this message will go to here. And once the spinal cord receives the message, because here if it goes to the brain, the damage may occur, muscles burn deep. To avoid such action, what it will do, immediately the spinal cord will take the decisions and give back. Yes, so this type of actions which was taken place immediately, those types of actions are called as a reflex actions. Reflection, that is what the reflection. Reflection is nothing but the response to stimuli. The actions which are occur response to stimuli is called as a reflex action. These are also involuntary actions and they occur spontaneously. Okay, and here the brain, for example, if dust particles enter to your nose, immediately you sneeze. Yes, this is also immediately it will give messages. It will go and come back. It will go and come back. Means those are involuntary. That are not under our will. Those are called as a reflex actions. When you are going outside, suddenly when you see the sun, immediately your eyes will close. Means that is one of the protective mechanism. We are protecting ourselves from the dangerous, means harming to our body. Those actions are called as a reflex actions. Okay, children, understood all of you? Here, the actions of the body, we will see two main actions are there. Voluntary actions which are under our control. Involuntary actions which is not under our control, which occurs without our choice. And another type of action is the reflex action. Those are involuntary actions that occur spontaneous movement response to stimuli.